Hi, this is Mr. Shiv with Wholesome Learning, and this video is for all you 5th graders that want to learn how to understand and solve word problems better. Now make sure you watch this to the end of the video. First things first, make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video to be part of our notification squad. So let's get to the word problem. A recipe for cookies call for 3/4 of a cup of chocolate chips. Now, the question is, should you buy a package with 1/2 a cup or a package with 1 cup, right? So what they want you to do here is estimate that whether 3/4 is closer to 1 cup or if it's closer to 1/2 cup, okay? So I want you guys to use your brains, pause this video, try the problem on your own, right? And once you're done with that, you could play this video and then I'll break it down for you, all right? So get to it. All right, welcome back. If you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe to the channel and be part of our notification squad. You'll get notified every time we post a new video and you'll stay ahead in school. So, for the word problem, I like drawing number lines because I'm a visual thinker and I think drawing diagrams and pictures can help you a lot, especially in word problems, all right? So let's draw a number line here. Okay. So if we're looking at 3/4, right, I want to separate from 0 to 1, right? The most we could have is 1 cup, right? So the number line will go from 0 to 1. I like separating it into quarters, right? Because that's what we're working with here, 3/4. Okay, so let's draw 1/4 would be, that's a little too close. 1/4 will be right here. 1/2, or like, look, this is 2/4, right? And we've learned that when we simplify it, it becomes 1/2, right? If you divide both by 2, it's 1/2. So that's our halfway point. And then 3/4 will be right here, okay? And that's it. That's our number line. So if it calls for 3/4 of a cup, that is clearly right here. So let's put a big dot. And let me use a different color right there. Okay, so that's where we are. Now, what do we want to buy? Do we want to buy a 1/2 a cup or do we want to buy a cup? If 3/4 is past, look at this, if it's past 1/2, right? If you buy 1/2 a cup, you're not going to have enough chocolate chips, right? If you buy 1 cup, you may have more than what's needed, but you'll have enough to have 3/4 of a cup. So clearly, when you go to the supermarket, you want to buy 1 cup of chocolate chips. 1 cup of chocolate chips. There we go. Right? Because if you buy 1/2 again, that wouldn't be enough. You'll need more, right? And you won't be following the recipe correctly. Your cookies could come out not as you expected, and that's not what we want, right? So 1 cup of chocolate chips. All right? So that's pretty straightforward, right? The second one is very similar to problem 1, except we are working with 3/8, right? So instead of, when you draw the number line, I want you guys to draw the number line. When you draw the number line, separate it into 8 pieces. Why don't I just do that for you guys? I don't want you guys to get confused, right? Remember, we're going from 0 to 1 again, right? Let's do 1/8, 2/8, 3/8. What am I doing? 8s. This is 8, sorry. 4/8, right? Now, again, using your math skills, right, with simplifying fractions, when you divide both numbers by 4, this is the halfway point, right? 4/8 is 1/2. Again, 5/8 is here, 6/8, and then 7/8. And then you will map where 3/8 is on the number line, and notice that and then figure out whether you need 1 cup or if 1/2 will be enough. Okay, I'll leave that up to you guys. If you're still stuck, I want you to replay this video to problem 1 and then go over it again. Okay, so that's that. Get to it. Hopefully you guys understand. And for those that are watching this video that aren't part of the Wholesome community and you're really interested and you have a lot of questions, go on to learnwholesomely.com so you can schedule your free evaluation. All right, we're looking forward to meeting with you. Have a great day.